We really love our grilled foods, especially when we're fishing, tailgating, camping, or on a beach. It's convenient for us to have the best grill to fit our needs. With current advancements in technology, gas grills have become some of the fastest and easiest ways to barbecue. Char-Broil gas grills have been working for years to provide us with the best, most suitable grills that will fit our needs and lifestyles. Char-Broil is truly an innovator in the gas grill arena. They're known because of their versatile designs, low to mid-range prices, and excellent customer service. They focused on infrared cooking for several years. After that, they introduced a new, very high-quality line of gas grills. Char-Broil grills make grilling easier, more affordable, and memorable. So stick with us now as we show you the top 5 in the Char-Broil gas grill line that'll help fit your barbecuing needs. Number 1 on our list is the Grill2Go True Infrared Portable Gas Grill by Char-Broil. If you're looking for a gas grill you can take anywhere, you have to check out this product. It's solidly built and designed for convenience. You can set up your grill when you're fishing, tailgating, camping, or having a beach trip. It includes a durable die-cast aluminum construction. The lid comes with dual stainless steel latches, and the high-impact frame with legs makes it solid and sturdy. The built-in push-button ignition is easy for starting and requires no batteries to ignite the 9,500 BTU burner, powered by a small and easily portable 16.5-ounce disposable propane LP cylinder. The X200 Grill2Go is built like a tank. It goes with its metal construction and shows just how heavy it is at nearly 12 kilograms. This is a portable barbecue, but it's more something that you'd put in the trunk of your car rather than actually carry around. It also has lid-mounted temperature gauges for monitoring and control. This grill has a true infrared cooking system for no flare-ups and can still cook evenly even in the coldest climates. It's ideal for people who love to grill food while still doing outside activities. It weighs less than 20 pounds and you can easily take it with you. It's built to last and to survive any outdoor adventure. You'll never get hungry while enjoying your trip. After using it, you can easily pack it up and put it in the back of your car. It has a rust-resistant feature, plus the stainless steel cooking grate is easy to clean. If a durable, portable gas grill is what you had in mind, then the go-to True Infrared Portable Gas Grill is the one for you. At number 2 from Char-Broil is the True Infrared 2-burner gas grill. It's a smaller gas grill that's big on features. It has a slick stainless steel design that looks great on a patio or in your backyard. It uses true infrared cooking. With infrared technology, it heats up faster, hotter, and more evenly. It also has fewer grill flare-ups, and the food is juicier. This well-made stainless steel 2-burner gas grill has everything you need in a glossy, modern design. The heavy-duty grates and burners were well designed to survive extra long cooking times. Each burner cleverly has its own temperature gauge above the control knob for a more accurate reading of the heat. Its total cooking area is 420 square inches and allows you to get your grilling jobs done efficiently, and it's ideal for those who live in apartments or have small spaces available for grills on decks or patios. It also includes an enclosed cabinet for you to store your grilling accessories. This grill is dual fuel enabled, so you can run your grill on propane or convert it to run off your home's natural gas line. The Char-Broil True Infrared 2-burner gas grill is easy to clean and reliable. If you're looking for a small grill with great cooking ability that's worth your money, this grill is something to consider. Are you getting an idea of what kind of grill suits you best? Before we continue with our list, subscribe to our channel and join our growing community. You can also push the bell icon for notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. Now let's continue. At number 3 is the Char-Broil 4-burner gas grill with side burner. It features a glossy stainless steel design and the stainless steel burners emit flames from the top for even cooking and added durability. This grill is made to last with a rust-resistant porcelain-coated cast iron grate for easy cleaning. It includes a removable porcelain-coated grease pan and an electronic igniter with start button for easy startup. It has a convection cooking system that's perfect for grilling and indirect low-temperature cooking. You can start using the side burner as a place to warm up your sauces or flip the lid down for an additional workspace. The grill weighs 132 pounds. Its primary cooking area has 480 square inches and it has a 208 square inch warming rack. With features such as an enclosed 2-door and cart design structure, it's one of the most popular products from Char-Broil. It also has a lid-mounted temperature gauge that lets you easily keep track of preheated status, as well as monitor your grilling temperature. It's easy to assemble and it cooks food perfectly. If you're looking for a grill with a reasonable price range and great features, and you want to have that great grilling experience, this grill is definitely worth having. The heavy-duty grill has the look and value to really make grilling fun. We love helping you make up your minds on what kind of grills you want to buy. If you wish to have a product or category to be reviewed in the future, just let us know in the comments section below and we'll get to work. Now let's head to our last two products. At number 4 on our list is the Char-Broil Tabletop Gas Grill. This grill is designed so you can take it anywhere you go. It weighs just 10 pounds, so you can take it on camping trips, to the beach, or in your yard. It has 187 square inches of cooking surface, where you can cook up to 8 hamburgers at a time. Its dimensions are 24 inches by 12 by 14.5. It has quality steel construction with a durable finish. Reviews have said this grill is very sturdy and people are satisfied with it. The grill has a chrome-plated cooking grid that's easy to clean and uses propane for fuel. The legs of the grill are foldable over the top to lock the lid in place. It has heat-resistant handles that mean you don't have to wait for the grill to cool down when you want to move it. You can pack this up right away after you finish using it. If you want to make your grilling experience on the go, use the Char-Broil Tabletop Gas Grill to make your experience simple and convenient. At number 5 is the Char-Broil 2-burner True Infrared Gas Grill. This grill systemizes all the benefits of a full-size grill into a powerful, compact alternative. Its 2 stainless steel burners yield 21,000 BTUs with 340 square inches of cooking space and 125 square inch warming rack. It also has spacious cooking space for preparing entire meals and side dishes all at the same time. The infrared gas grill adequately generates a high temperature evenly and with less fuel consumption to deliver juicier flavor to the food. This grill also has a surefire electronic ignition feature for that reliable spark at every burner. It comes with side shelves that can easily be folded down when you need extra space. Its lid and handles are also made of stainless steel. It can also use propane or convert to your home's natural gas line. It weighs just 107 pounds. It's user-friendly and easy to use. If you want a grill that's sturdy and durable, the Char-Broil 2-burner True Infrared Gas Grill is the best option. The Char-Broil stainless 2-burner gas grill is also compact and a great option for people with limited space. It tucks away nicely and also has plenty of depth for cooking all different types of meat. The warming tray also provides that extra space to warm buns and vegetables. It starts fast and heats quickly, but doesn't quite retain the heat as well as we would have liked. And there you have it, the top 5 Char-Broil gas grills on the market. You can choose between these gas grills and opt for the perfect one. If you found the gas grill you want, then click the link that we've provided below to get it at its best deal. Before doing that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for future notifications. Feel free to comment down below because your opinions matter to us. If there's a product you'd like to see us review in the future, let us know and our research team will get to work. Happy grilling and thanks for watching the ReviewTube channel.